Hi, today we're going to be looking at another stick vacuum from Dibea. This is the ST1601 2-in-1 stick and hand vacuum. I'll be quickly doing an unboxing to show you what comes inside the box. First, let's remove this part here. This is the main motorized cleaning head that has a bristled motorized brush. This is similar to the F6 from Dibea. I'll post a link to this in the description below for the review. This is the main filter that comes with this vacuum. I think this is an extra filter, I'm not sure. We'll find out in a bit. Let's just remove the plastic. Next up would be this brush tool. This is a stiff brush tool. This is great for cleaning pet hair on fabric upholstery. Next is this. This is the main vacuum motor. This is with the bin attached. This is the bin and the motor here at the back. This is the switch, the power switch, and the I'm not sure what this plus minus is. Again, we'll find out later on. Next up, this is the power cord for charging. And this would be the extension wand that you'll attach over here. This makes this a stick vacuum. When you attach this, it turns into a stick vacuum. Let's see if it clicks in place. Okay, it clicks, which is nice. Next up would be, next thing that comes in the box would be this tool holder. It comes with a screw, excuse me about that. There's a screw, and this is the tool tool holder where you can store these tools. I'm not sure if you can store these tools here. I'm not sure if this will fit. Okay, you attach the tools like this, like so. And next up would be this crevice tool. This is the crevice tool.
It's like a crevice tool like that, or?
So tools store in this bracket like so. Lastly, you will get this power adapter, this plug.
It's an adapter like that.
This is a round adapter. I won't be really needing this because my plug is flat, 2-prong flat. Okay, let's try to attach this main motorized brush on this stick part, on this extension one. The design of this is a bit different. You'll see that it doesn't have the trigger mechanism found in the C17 or F6. It has this power button here, fingertip controls, and if you press the power switch, it turns the motor on. Press the plus minus button, it increases suction. You'll see that the light here is yellow. This means that this is at the max suction, and this is the normal mode. When you press the power button, it shuts off. It's nice that this comes in charged already. So let's try it again. Power button, green means normal mode. When you press the plus minus, it turns on the max, which is orange. Press it again, it turns to green. Press the power button and it shuts off. So you can use this as a stick vacuum and it swivels. You'll notice that it swivels back and forth. So we'll see how this does in the cleaning test. And if you remove the extension one, you can attach this brush tool directly in here. Let's try to attach this brush tool, see how it does. Okay, it's rather short. This brush tool is rather short, so when you try to clean upholstery, it won't have as much reach as the F6. I feel that F6 has better attachments, and this is the Crevice Tool. You can attach it directly here on the vacuum itself, or attach it here on the extension one.
It's like an extension one.
You press this, this lodges the main floor tool, and you can attach these tools on the extension one if you need above the floor cleaning, if you need to clean, if you need more reach. I do wish that this it had a brush tool similar to the F6, a combination brush and crevice tool.
It's like the SP6, Dad.
So
Ready?
functionality will be
Ready?
limited. Okay. Here's the bin. To remove it, you'll need to squeeze these buttons here on the left
Please?
and right. So you just squeeze both of it and it pops out like this. Let me just put this down. This is how the bin looks like. This is the filter, and it's a washable foam filter. At the bottom is this is the main filter. Inside is, I think, a Hepa filter. So this machine has two filters. So let's see if we can remove this. I'm not sure if we can remove this filter here. So let's twist this. Okay, apparently you can remove it. Twist this, and this filter pops out. And you can push it back in again. Twist it to lock it in place. And this is the extra Hepa filter. I'm not sure if this is washable. I'll update in the I'll post it in the link below if it's washable. I'll ask Gearbest whether or not this is washable. But this is I think this is a Hepa filter, and this is this secondary filter that's washable. And just attach this here in place like so. So to attach this, you'll need to make sure that this black rubber thingy lines up with this hole, and attach this foam filter here and do the reverse. This square part should be aligned to this part, and just push it in to lock it in place. The brackets here should align. This bracket should align here, and let's try to attach it, and seems to be good. So now I'll just get it ready for the cleaning test. Okay, this bracket is, you can attach this bracket on this extension wand. You just pull this up here, and attach this like so, and the bracket goes here, and the screw, it comes with a screw where you'll just screw it here in place. You'll attach this screw on this hole here on the bracket, and to store it, you'll just push, you have to push this here in place, and do the same with the crevice tool here. So it has a it will help you store these tools, but I suggest that you remove these tools prior to cleaning. So this is how it looks like. This charger is plugged at the back of this vacuum, so you just push this in here to charge it, and when you're ready to go, just pull it out and turn on the vacuum. Unfortunately, this is not self-standing. It doesn't stand on its own, so you'll have to find a place to store this. You may either remove the wand here and store this separately to save on space, or you just store it laying down like this on the floor. I did mention earlier that the main cleaning head of this Dibea ST1601 is similar to the F6. I stand corrected. It's actually similar to the C17. The C17 and the ST1601 has the same cleaning head. If you look at it side by side, let me just show it to you how it looks side by side. It's identical. It has the similar width, similar design. It has the felt material here at the back and the soft bristled brush. 2 wheels at the back, 2 small wheels in the front. And actually you can attach this on this vacuum without any problem. So it's virtually the same, and you can attach this direct if you need to clean stairs or anything similar. To remove the brush, all you need to do is slide this bracket to the side, pull out the brush, that's it, and do the reverse when attaching. When putting it back, slide this in, slide this bracket in. For the cleaning test, I'll be trying to clean this huge pile of dirt scattered on the floor, just to give you a close-up look of how big a mess this is. I'll bring you back to the tripod and do the cleaning. Okay, I'm back on the tripod, and I'll be doing a 1 back and forth pass. See how this vacuum does. I'll turn on the max function just to give it a little extra oomph. Okay, it snow plowed the large pile of dirt in front of it. Now I'll just try to clean the rest of this mess up the way I normally would, and let's see how it does. If going in different directions would help, I will try to do that. Notice that this vacuum has pretty good swivel. It's also top heavy, so maybe a little bit harder to use above floors.
Done.
overall it did a pretty good job on bare floor. It was able to pick up a majority of the dirt I laid on the floor. If you look closely, there's really not much left on the floor except for the pieces that couldn't get through the low profile cleaning head. There are a couple bits left back there, but overall on bare floor, similar results to the C17. Before I start the cleaning test for the carpet, I'll just show you how the bin looks like after cleaning up a big mess like that. And here's how it looks like. It's pretty much full to the brim. Most of the dirt stayed at the bottom. There are some bits of dust that seep through here on the filter area, and I'll empty this on the carpet and see. And to empty, you just need to press this lever here, and when you press it, it pops open and most of the dirt will go down. And if you look closely, it's pretty much empty. Most of the dirt, there's some that's stayed here on the filter area of the bin. Let's just clean this out and put this back here. Again, make sure the rubber, sorry, the other way around, make sure the rubber, black rubber, lines up with the opening here. This is where the dirt goes through. So let's just line it up and put this back in the vacuum, then it will start the cleaning test. For the cleaning test, I have the same amount of dirt as I did on the bare floor cleaning test. And just to give you an idea how big the mess is, let me just give you a close look. It's a huge pile of dirt consisting of oats and hair, dust picked up from previous cleaning tests and previous cleaning sessions here at home. So again, I'll do a back and forth pass and see how the cleaning head does. Okay, although it snow plowed initially, it was able to pick up a majority of the dirt on the floor. And there's the dirt that was snow plowed here where I'm pointing at. And let's finish up this cleaning test, and I'll give you a close look on this rug, how it looks like. Again, I'll turn on the max for this rug. Okay, it did a very good job cleaning at least the surface dirt. Let me just take this camera off the tripod and give you a close look. And you'll see that most of the surface dirt is taken out. You wouldn't expect this cordless vacuum to be a deep cleaner, but for its price it did a really good job. And I'll be back with the closing remarks. Overall, I like the performance of this vacuum, at least on flat surfaces. But one concern for me would be this tool over here. It's pretty short. If you attach it direct on the vacuum, you can see that it's really lacking in length. I'm not sure how much reach. This will have very limited reach. This vacuum is really bulky, and when you attach this little thing, it can reach a bit. You can use this to clean sofas, but if you will not be able to use this on an inside carpet in your cars, aside from the seats or flat surfaces or floors. But under the seats, this will have limited reach. But I like that all the attachments lock in place. Dibea has done a good job, but this is a problem for me when I try to attach this. You need to really push. You need to exert some effort to make this click, to lock this in place. You need to exert some effort. So that's a gripe for me. And this is a bit top heavy. This is a big vacuum here, and when you lift this up like this, it can put a strain on your wrist. And overall, for the price, I like the price to performance ratio. Suction is pretty good. It picked up everything on bare floor, almost everything, and on carpet, at least the surface dirt it was able to pick up on carpet. But do not expect this to be a deep cleaner, since the bristles on the motorist brush are pretty soft. If you look again, these bristles are soft. I like this tool. It has good length. You can attach this on this extension one to clean above the floor. But again, this is a top heavy machine, so that could be an issue for someone who has a little weak. Again, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe for more updates in future videos. I have lots of reviews lined up, and I can't wait to share them with you in this channel. And thanks again for watching.